Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to use about the power rule of derivative. So in this situation, we have y equals to x to the power of n. So if we do first derivative, we have n x to the power of n minus 1. Now for the first one, if we do first derivative of f, we will have 2x to the power of 2 minus 1. This one, that is about number 1, because x, that is about x to the power of 1. So we have x to the power of 1 minus 1. We know that this one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Now we simplify. Number 2 minus 1, we have number 1. X to the power of number 0, that is about number 1. So we just simplify by number 2. Now we do similar for the second one. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have number 1. This one, we have 2x. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.